नव्या बोरी पुलाची गरज आसाच। मूळ प्रस्तावाप्रमाण नव्या पुला खातीर लोटलेचो 1.20 लाख जमीन संपादन करपाचे आशिल्ले, मात आता फकत 75,000 मेरेन जमीन ताब्यात घेतले। गांवचे लोक नव्या पुलाच्या विरोधात राष्ट्रीय हरित लवादान गेल्यात। देखून राष्ट्रीय हरित लवादाक पाळो दिवनूच बोरी पूल बांदतले अशें पर्यावरण मंत्री आलेक्स सेqueira उलयलो।
From the beginning I have been saying what a new bridge is required. From the beginning I have been saying the question is the alignment. From the beginning I have been saying that there are 3 proposals amongst the villages of Lotoli, okay? Amongst the villages of Lotoli. So I feel technically I am not qualified. So I depend on PWD. PWD is conducting a study. They brought in experts. I've taken the people to the Chief Minister. The Chief Minister has heard that. I've taken the people to the Union Minister, Mr. Nitin Gadkari. He has heard that. In my presence, in their presence, both Mr. Nitin Gadkari and our Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, has directed PWD, directed Ministry of Road Transport to inspect and see how best they could accommodate the demands of the locals. To be honest with you, till this minute, the exact alignment, I don't know if the word alignment is right, but the exact design has not been finalized. It is almost finalized. As far as the Lotoli side is concerned, I think the original proposal was to acquire something like around 1,20,000 square meters. If I am not mistaken, as of today, that 1,20,000 square meters has come down to about 70 to 75,000 square meters. Okay, so we have reduced the requirement of land by about 40 to 45,000 square meters. Having said that, I have still told them to see how best we can reduce further. So I think it's a question of few days when we will ultimately see what is the minimum land required. Yes, I have to admit that Mr. Shirodkar said that the acquisition has to be completed by 20th October. I agree that it has to be completed by 20th October, so it will be completed by 20th October. Further, let us not forget that villagers have gone to the National Green Tribunal. They filed a case there. So, end of the day, what is going to be, who is going to decide will be the NGT court, and we will respect the order of the court.